Hey, do you wish editing was easier?
Yes.
Do you wish you didn't have to spend so much time looking for sound effects, memes, and music?
That's right.
Do you wish you didn't have to spend so much time creating LUTs and presets in Premiere Pro?
That's me.
And overall, do you wish Premiere Pro wouldn't crash every other hour? Well, I can't really help you with the last one. But the rest I got ya covered, baby. Woo! Because I made 2 free editing packs. The first pack contains a selection of memes, music, sound effects, green screens, videos, and images. And the second pack contains all of my personal Premiere Pro LUTs and presets. And it's all free. This is something I wish I had when I first started. So that's why I'm giving it to you. Because I'm a nice guy. I wish girls thought the same. Anyways, I did transition. Alright, that was just a brief overview of the packs. Now I'm just going to deep dive into them and just show you what's in them, like fully, so you can decide whether you want them or not. Alright, let's go. First off, we have the Eclu's Editing Starter Pack Part 1 and Part 2. There wasn't supposed to be a Part 2, but I'll explain why in a second. So if we come into the pack, we have sound effects, and inside the sound effects tab, you have meme sound effects and regular sound effects. The meme sound effects are what you would, they're, as the name states, they're memes, right? So we got the bone crack sound effects, so you can just... And then we just got a classic fart, the FNAF ambient noise. It's just memes, right? It's just memes. And then the regular sound effects are just regular sound effects, like a censor bleep, so you can, if you say something really cancel worthy, you can bleep it out. And stuff like that. Some victory swooshes, risers, suspense, all that snazz. It's good. It's it's well-rounded. It's the basics. And yeah. Then, if you come to the video and images folder, we're going to have green screens, overlays, meme images and meme videos. Green screens and overlays. It's green screens and overlays. You got the anime line, so, you know, big fight. You got the laughing emoji for when you say a funny joke. And then just some other miscellaneous green screens that I personally like. Then you got the meme images, which are just meme images. So again, anime lines for thumbnails, I use those a lot. Monkey, big brain, red arrow. And then in meme videos, we have the censor bleep. Again, if you don't want to get canceled. The explosion meme, that's a classic. Law and Order. Oh, hey. You know, you always find your way into every video. I didn't even know you were in my room. But yeah, the Zaya Stop the Cap. You bet your sweet Pippi I did. Oh, and that one stupid fucking hamster. And then also, lastly, we have this. A beautiful image of myself. Goddamn, am I sexy. Then we have the Starter Pack Part 2. Now in this, as you can see, is only music. And the reason for this is the website builder I used, GoDaddy, only allowed me to upload a file that was 32 gigabytes. And music took up way more than I expected, and I could only add like 3 tracks before I couldn't add anymore, and I thought that was just abysmal. So I made a whole nother pack with just music. This has music for gaming videos and music for art videos, and they're pretty bump-worthy, alright? I'm not going to go through them all, because I just don't have the time. And also, I'm going to open the door so our little feline friend here can depart. There you go. Now that that's over, we have the Eclu's preset and LUT pack. Now in here contains the Eclu's meme presets and the Eclu's LUTs. Now I'm gonna have to go into Premiere Pro to show you exactly what these are. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and if we come over to the effects tab and we go to my customs, this is gonna show all my custom presets, and these are all the presets that are in the preset pack, right? So we have flangered mic.
I'll probably put on the mirror.
Then we have the VHS crop. This just, you know, it tightens the screen a little bit. It makes it look like an old VHS tape. Android. Don't really have to explain this one. Black bars. Intense. Oven fry. I'm fucking cooking, baby. The VHS tape, it just gives it, again, a VHS feel. The fisheye. Yep. Screen shake. You know, you can use this for whatever. And then we have subtitle. So if we just go over to our video clip and we type T, put a little box, we'll get a graphic, and you just play subtitle right onto it. and you have a subtitle. Now, this isn't my personal text that I use in my videos because I believe everyone should have their own personal one because, you know, branding and originality, stuff like that. And there's also the subtitle bounce. So now it bounces into frame and it also leaves frame. So it gives it a bit of motion. Then we have the vignette, which just, it's a vignette. I don't know what to tell you. So now that you've had a good look at the packs, and you can make your decision whether you want them or not, I'm going to show you how to download them. So go to the link in the description. It's this one right here. You click on it, it'll take you to my own personal website, and blue screen me will take you through the rest. So here we are in my website. Wow, look around. It's so amazing. Anyway, go up to that top corner right there where it says editing packs and click on it. This will bring you to the download page for the packs. Pick one and click the download button. It should be right here. I don't really know, but I'll make it work. Once that's downloaded, it'll give you a zip file. I just like to minimize my screen, drag the zip file to my PC start page, right click on it and click extract here. And that will then give you the file with all the good stuff you can actually use. Now real quick, if you don't want to use my website for whatever reason, or you can't, or maybe you edit your videos on a phone just like I did when I started, you can use the Google Drive link down below and it'll take you here. And this has all, as I know, this should have everything that's in the pack. It's just single files, and you can download them from here. Now, I'm going to show you how to import the preset pack into Premiere Pro, just because that's a bit of a challenge. I don't want to leave y'all in the dark. So here we are in Premiere Pro. It's super easy to import the pack. You just go to the Effects tab, click the 3 lines right there. It's going to drop down this box. Click Import Presets. That's going to open up your files. Find the file with the presets, double click it, and that's it. You now have the preset pack in Premiere Pro, and you can edit. You can edit to I don't know. I don't have a good analogy. I'm currently making this outro on my phone just because I don't really have enough time to film an actual one. But yeah, thank you for watching. And make sure you watch my new video on the gaming channel. It's definitely the best one by far. Me and my friend Nick played some Minecraft. And I killed Dream. Alright, I gave him the death he deserved for making that one music song. Anyway, stay safe and stay positive. I love you all. Peace.